Sir, out of 47 Chief Justices of India till date, at least 14 have been Brahmins. First Law Minister Dr. B.R. Ambedkar will be turning in his grave, seeing how judicial appointments are made and how the independence of judiciary is tampered with.
I had occasion to hear the speech of a member from Kerala, Jan Britas. Wonderful, really. I enjoyed it. Next day, to my disappointment, not even a single line of what he spoke in the House was reported in the national media.
The Honorable Law Minister, Kiran Rijiju, has made it clear that the purpose of this bill is to make the legislative intent clear about the additional quantum of pension. Fair, sir. I fully appreciate it. But does he understand there is a serious lacuna because though we decide on such matters, we have no role in the appointment of judges. So does this exist anywhere in the world, sir? Absolutely no. Judges appointing judges is unheard. Let people know who are going to be our judges and their competence, ability, integrity. Should there be a system shrouded in mystery, secrecy, and darkness? Sir, let me read out a profile of a judge which I happen to see in a High Court website. Please allow me to do so. Mr. Justice so-and-so, I won't mention his name, born on so-and-so date, belongs to a family associated with judges. His maternal great-grandfather, a Chief Justice of India, maternal grandfather was a former acting Chief Justice. One of his maternal uncle, former Judge of Supreme Court. His maternal uncle, Honorable Justice, sitting. It's going on, sir. It's like a long list. Very long. Sir, we all talk about dynasty, sir. The BJP members have been very harsh when they talk about dynasty in Congress party, sir. At least they have passed the test of winning the confidence of the people. Sir, this is a clear case of dynasty. Clear cut of dynasty. Why are we keeping mum on this, sir? Does it mean that when it comes to judiciary, we shouldn't want such a diverse representation? Should we be oblivious about that? You want only representation in the cabinet? Sir, out of 47 Chief Justices of India till date, at least 14 have been Brahmins. From 1950 to 1970, the maximum strength of the Supreme Court was 14 judges and 11 of them were Brahmins. Sir, 1971 to 1989, Kiran Rijiju sir. Sir, this is a point, sir. This is a point.
Please.
This is a point.
Please.
Sir, this is a point.
Please. Please, man.
I am saying there is no diversity in judiciary. Sir,
please.
this is
अगर
a maiden speech.
रिकॉर्ड में
Sir, I am
माननीय मंत्री जी,
interrupted.
अगर होगा तो डिलीट करा देंगे उसको।
I want
तो
your
डिलीट करा
protection,
देंगे
sir.
उसको।
Sir, I
अगर कोई
want your
ऐसी
protection,
चीज
sir.
करा देंगे।
Sir, I want your protection.
आप समाप्त कीजिए
Sir,
प्लीज।
I want to complete it.
Please,
Sir,
please.
please. Sir, so
नहीं
about
प्लीज,
comments.
अगर ऐसी कोई चीज होगी तो उसको डिलीट कर
Sir,
चेक करा के
please allow me.
उसको डिलीट करा देंगे।
Sir, I
Please
just
conclude.
complete it. Please
conclude now.
I am not
Please
against
conclude
any
now.
caste.
Please conclude now.
I am not against any caste, sir.
Thank you, Mr. John.
Sir, I'm just completing.
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir, I'm just completing. Sir, will this August House be shocked to note that till 1980, there was no judge from the OBC or Supreme SC in the highest court
Thank you.
of this country? Sir, I am sure the key framer of the Constitution and first Law Minister, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, will be turning in his grave, seeing how judicial appointments are made and how the independence of judiciary is tampered with.